Warning.
58 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in South
Nope.
Springs and the Rock Creek Basin. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southwestern Colorado Springs, Fountain, and Fort Carson. This includes the following streams and drainages: Little Fountain Creek, Little Turkey Creek, East Fort Turkey Creek, and Rock Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Double header, please.
The National
Oh.
Weather Service in Pueblo
Wait.
has issued a flash
Oh,
flood
never
warning
mind.
for